Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever wondered why different regions have different dishes and how they became so popular? The world of local cuisine is a tapestry of flavors, woven with traditional dishes that often tell a tale of a region's history and culture. From the spices used in a recipe to the method of preparation, each dish carries a narrative of its own. In this video, we'll unravel the culinary threads that bind communities together, exploring the cultural significance of various local delicacies. Join us on this culinary journey as we discover the stories behind local delicacies. The geography of a region plays a crucial role in shaping its cuisine. But how exactly does this happen? Well, the local geography determines what ingredients are readily available. For instance, coastal regions often boast a wide variety of seafood dishes because of their proximity to the sea. In contrast, landlocked areas might lean more towards dishes that make good use of livestock and crops. Let's take the Mediterranean region, for example. The warm climate and fertile soil make it ideal for growing olives, tomatoes, and a host of aromatic herbs. These ingredients are the backbone of Mediterranean cuisine, giving rise to dishes like Greek salad and Italian pasta. On the flip side, consider the icy landscapes of Scandinavia. With an abundance of fish in the frigid waters, it's no surprise dishes like gravlax, a dill-cured salmon, are popular. But it's not just geography that shapes a region's cuisine. History plays a part too. Trade routes have introduced new ingredients and flavors to different regions, leading to culinary evolution. The spice trade, for instance, brought exotic flavors to European shores, forever changing their cuisine. Migration, too, has left an indelible mark. Take America, where waves of immigrants have created a melting pot of culinary traditions. From Italian pizza to Chinese dumplings, the American food scene is a testament to its diverse heritage. As we can see, geography and history are baked into every dish we enjoy. Food is more than just sustenance. It's a reflection of our culture and heritage. This statement rings true as we delve into the cultural significance of local dishes. Local dishes often tell a tale of a region's culture and history. These culinary delights are not just concocted for our taste buds, but they also serve as symbolic threads that weave the fabric of a community's identity. They represent the values, traditions, and shared history of a people. Take, for example, the hearty shepherd's pie, a popular dish in the United Kingdom. This savory pie, filled with minced meat and vegetables and topped with a crust of mashed potatoes, was traditionally made by shepherds. It was a practical and economical way to use up leftover roasted meat. This dish reflects the resourcefulness and pragmatism of the British people and their strong connection to agriculture and pastoral life. Moving over to Asia, let's visit Japan and its renowned sushi. This dish, made of vinegared rice accompanied by a variety of ingredients like raw fish, vegetables, and sometimes tropical fruits, represents the Japanese people's reverence for balance and harmony. The careful presentation and combination of flavors in sushi symbolize the Japanese principle of kansha, which means appreciation or gratitude. It's a reflection of their deep respect for nature and its bounty. Now, let's travel to the shores of the Mediterranean and taste Greece's moussaka. This layered dish, consisting of eggplant or potatoes, minced meat, and a creamy bechamel sauce, tells a story of the country's rich history. The spices used in moussaka, like cinnamon and allspice, hint at the influence of the Ottoman Empire, showcasing Greece's resilience and adaptability through centuries of change. These dishes and countless others are not just meals. They're narratives served on a plate, each bite a testament to the culture and heritage from which they originate. They remind us that food is a language through which we can explore and understand the world. Every bite of a local dish is a taste of the culture it comes from. So the next time you try a local dish, remember, you're not just eating. You're partaking in a cultural experience, one delicious bite at a time. Have you noticed that food is often at the heart of social gatherings and celebrations? But why is this the case? Let's delve into it. From birthdays to weddings, food takes center stage in almost every social event. This universal phenomenon can be traced back to our ancestors. Sharing a meal was not just about nourishment, it was a symbol of trust and cooperation. From hunting together to dividing the spoils, food has always been a social affair. Take, for instance, the traditional American Thanksgiving dinner. This feast, laden with turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie, is a time for families and friends to gather and express gratitude. The food served is not just about satiating hunger, it's a symbol of abundance and unity. Or consider the Chinese New Year, where families gather for the reunion dinner. Dishes like dumplings and fish are not only delicious but also carry a symbolic meaning of prosperity and good luck for the coming year. In Spain, the paella, a saffron-infused rice dish cooked with a variety of meats and seafood, is often prepared for large get-togethers. The act of cooking and eating paella is seen as a communal activity, creating a sense of camaraderie and togetherness. These examples show us that food is more than just sustenance. It's a language that transcends borders, a thread that weaves us together, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Food brings us together and helps us celebrate our shared heritage. So next time you sit down for a meal, remember it's not just about the food on your plate, but the connections it symbolizes. So, what have we learned about local cuisine and traditional dishes? Quite a bit, wouldn't you say? We've unveiled the intriguing world of local cuisine, where every dish is a flavorful chronicle of the region it hails from. We've talked about how geography and native ingredients play a pivotal role in shaping a region's culinary identity, how the fertile lands, the sprawling seas, and the changing seasons provide a rich bounty that is then transformed into an array of delectable dishes. We've delved into the cultural significance of traditional dishes, where each recipe is a time capsule, capturing the essence of a community's history, values, and way of life. We've learned that food is more than just sustenance. It's a symbol of heritage, a testament of identity, and a medium of cultural expression. We've also explored how food is at the heart of social gatherings and celebrations, how it fosters a sense of community, strengthens bonds, and creates lasting memories. Whether it's a family dinner, a festive feast, or a casual get-together, food is the thread that weaves people together. So, as we conclude our culinary journey, let's remember to appreciate local cuisine in all its diversity and richness, to savor not just the taste, but also the story that each dish narrates. Because food is not just about eating, it's about experiencing a culture, understanding a history, and connecting with a community. Remember, every dish has a story, so the next time you enjoy a local delicacy, take a moment to appreciate the history and culture that it represents.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, Exploring Local Cuisine, Traditional Dishes and Culinary Delights at Level B1. Cuisine. Cuisine, a style or method of cooking, especially as characteristic of a particular country, region, or establishment. Example, exploring Italian cuisine is more than just eating pizza, it involves tasting a variety of regional dishes that tell a story of the country's history and culture. Gastronomy. Gastronomy, the practice of choosing, cooking, and eating good food. Example, French gastronomy is recognized worldwide for its finesse and flavor, making it a fascinating journey for food lovers. Savory. Savory, belonging to the category that is salty or spicy rather than sweet. Example, traditional Turkish dishes are known for their rich, savory flavors that come from a unique blend of spices. Palate. Palate, a person's ability to taste and enjoy food. Example, sampling traditional Japanese sushi can be a delightful experience for anyone looking to expand their palate. Delicacy. Delicacy, a rare or expensive food item that is considered highly desirable, sophisticated, or peculiar to a particular culture. Example, trying a local delicacy, like escargot in France, can be an exciting part of exploring new cuisines. Thank you for watching. Like, write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.